Emergency podcast alert. Emergency podcast alert. It's Saturday, and I normally don't do a podcast, but I did a full one, a complete 58 minute. Let me see how long it is. It is a complete 59-minute podcast that will be on Substack. It's uploading right now, dailystockpick.substack.com. You can find it on Linktree down here. It's one of these links down here, Daily Stock Pick newsletter. You can find it. I go over complete charts. So I go over, should you be panicking about QQQ? Should you be panicking about the S&P VOO? I go over also, Warren Buffett released a letter, and these are his yearly returns. I go over that. I go over, should we be worried that he has a ton of cash on the sidelines? I also go over the catalyst for next week, and it is every day. I take you through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I take you a look at that. I also take you through the Daily Stock Pick core portfolio, which you get when you sign up for Trendspider. You can also find it on Savvy Trader if you like. I take you through every chart. And the reason why it's such a good portfolio is because long-term and short-term, we can take a look at it. 1 month, the core portfolio is up 1.45% over 1 month. SPY is down 1.6%. Okay, over 3 months, the core portfolio is up 3%. S&P's up only 0.74. Year to date, the core portfolio is up 4.2. The S&P's up 3. 1 year, you can see the core portfolio is up 19%. Again, it has been a proven portfolio that is good. So I go over that one by one. I also take you through the complete core portfolio and the watch list. So the watch list is something that you get when you subscribe. So if you're worried about the market, consider subscribing. I think I give you a free 7-day trial. If you want a free 7-day trial, just ask me for it. I'll give you a coupon code for a free 7 if you want to listen to it. But this goes over my Saturdays, about what I do on the weekend, how I manage my portfolio. So if you listen to me and you want to know exactly, I don't think that there's anything that I do that I don't tell you that I do. But all the charts, everything, if you're nervous, I have developed this buy and hold mentality. There's a certain muscle that you need for times like this. And I show you what I do. I show you in the charts how charts take emotions out of it. How you can see it clearly in the chart. Yesterday felt bad, and it was bad for most people. I was down quite a bit of money. And yeah, it didn't feel good, but did I sell anything? The only thing that I sold, full disclosure, was CONL. And the reason was, and I'll tell you this, and I go over it in the podcast, CONL, it's a double leveraged Coinbase ETF. And when you look at it, look, we had good news yesterday. We had really good news. You gapped up on the open with that news. Okay? But none of these candles held. And so at around $32, I think it was, I wound up selling. And honest to God, it's at a loss because I bought up here, I think at about $41 back here in January. Maybe it was in February. I bought it at about $41, I believe. So it was a loss, but we closed at 28. I can always get back in. Nice little loss to write off against some gains on short term. I'll make it back. We're only in February. I'm not concerned. It was I think a $4,000 or $5,000 loss. So stings a little bit. I don't like to lose that much on trades, but it was a bet. And, again, I take you through all of that on the podcast. So if you have any questions, you can certainly comment down below. If you need a free 7-day trial, just email me. You can email me, respond to one of the newsletters on here. You can comment on one of the newsletters. You can go to the Facebook group. Just go to Linktree. You can go to the Facebook group. You can go to Twitter. You can go anywhere that I even have my email address up here. So if you need a free 7-day trial just to listen to this one, go and do it. It's not posted yet. This is still Fridays, but you will see it up there. In fact, here is the one that I just did in Canva. So you'll see that one up there. But if you have any questions, hit me up. I just wanted to put this one out there. Take care. Bye.
Every morning I wake up to the sound of the trading bell. My heart starts to pound. Daily stock pick trading podcast in my ears, guiding me through my hopes and fears. here.